We're here at Disneyland today. It is still LA Fleet Week. Still gotta be in these whites. Let's go in the park and see what fun we can get into today. Good day from Disneyland. We're here to be here. We actually have nothing to do because we're going to Universal later and we need to kill some time.
What better time to kill than here?
Yeah. So actually I got one of the lightsabers at Savi's and it wasn't, the hilt stopped working. The main hilt where you put the kyber crystal. So I'll see if they swap it out. That'd be awesome if they do. And bao buns. We're here for bao
Of course.
buns. Okay,
Yes.
so let's go.
Yeah.
We're talking about irony here. The Navy Band Southwest is going to be doing a flag retreat and parade march. I guess Fleet Week does come out pretty far here. With Haunted Mansion having its anniversary, they have these amazing guitars down here. The one on the right is $13,000. The one on the left is $33,000. If you feel so tempted. They have a lot of Haunted Mansion stuff out now because of that. Oh, they even have Haunted Mansion headbands. These ones are $78. Special anniversary pins as well. And a whole wall of merchandise. That wood one. I like the wood plaque. I love these U-gears and I have most of them. But look, they have a castle. Oh, it says that one's 150. I think he likes me. Yeah. The shiny, pristine castle on a beautiful day. With people. Definitely more busy than the other day. The Episode 9 merchandise is here. Sith Trooper everywhere. Shirts. Figures. Costumes. And more of the same on the other side. So apparently this tree to the right of what used to be the Jedi show. Do they still do it? I don't know. I don't know if they still do it. This tree has pomegranates on it. Neato. Coming into Galaxy's Edge. It's only your second time, right?
Yep.
This is what we flew in on. It's our crash ship. Crashing on the bad tube. There's a crowd of folks here in front of the TIE Echelon. Oh, look.
Double the patrols. Interrogate the merchants. Fail, Lieutenant. Are we clear?
Now the quest to try and replace this thing is underway. We just stopped by Savi's. They said go into Doc Ondar's. So hopefully they can give me a new one of these. I'm keeping the crystal, but it's just to show them if they are curious. See if it works out.
What's your favorite piece in here?
I haven't looked at all of it. There's so much.
Jar Jar.
Yeah, Jar Jar. You gonna be able to help me get a fixed lightsaber? Alright, good news. If you have a busted lightsaber you made at Savi's, they were able to get me a new one. I kept the crystal, but they got me a new chassis, as they call it. However, I'd recommend you bring the whole thing. They want to see your whole thing to find out what's wrong with it. I just brought this. I don't know what they did because they went back there with it. They looked at it. They came, asked what time we came, and maybe they were looking at security footage. I don't really know. But in the end, they were able to take care of it. I had no receipt, anything like that. So if you have issues, it's worth asking about it. I don't know if you can hear it, but this is what Thunder Mountain sounds like when it's not working. One thing we say we're always gonna do is there's a chess table right up there in front of that shed. We say we're gonna bring our own pieces and sit there and play chess because it doesn't come with pieces, but on a nice cooler day, it'd be a good way to kill some time. I feel like every time we're here at this point, we're getting bao buns. Oh, let's see that. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Well, they put a lot of the powder stuff on top because they knew I was wearing whites. Gosh, this white uniform is a pain. If you've never looked up in the storybook store, it's kind of neat. Especially like how they do that nighttime effect. That horse is having some issues. at California Adventure. They're still working on the trolley station. But restrooms and lockers are still around the corner. Looks like these guys are about to start a show.
We got ourselves a recruit session. Left flank, keep an eye here. Pull forward all the way to me.
I would like to point out some great news that here in Emotional Whirlwind, they put umbrellas out. The day we came and waited, the day it opened, it wasn't even that hot, but we were standing out in the sun for like half an hour and it's miserable.
Yeah.
Today, I couldn't, that would be terrible. But they got umbrellas.
Also, the mechanisms aren't spinning.
You're right, they're not. Oh no, the imagination stopped working. This is pretty intense. There's so many people at the pool in the Grand Californian today. Yeah, but we're trying to get some AC. This is gonna be great. Yeah, they are. They're currently in the process of building a display piece for the Grand Californian. See, the snake has no eyes. And they're saying there's 3 hidden Mickeys already, and it'll be 6 days. I like how, did you notice this is the same like stonework outside with the wood, but it's like broken? I guess Oogie Boogie broke it. Hello. Oh, oh, look at the macaroon. And what's that bottom one? Lots of interesting things over here.
Apple pound cake, if I'm not mistaken.
That might be it. Lots of to-go cookies. Yeah, we're looking at the dress shop, of course. Yeah, it is Minnie and Mickey.
Of course, they got the pumpkins.
Yeah. That's a nice one.
That's cute.
That's probably the ugliest one I've seen.
Look at these.
I'll be honest, I'm not a fan. Yeah, I was never a huge fan of Hocus Pocus. But if you are, you can get this dress here at the dress shop. Trying something different with the salt and straw. This is like carrot cake ice cream with hazelnuts. Yeah,
Yes.
hazelnuts. And you got...
And then I got the chocolate chip cookie dough with sea salt and caramel.
This is delicious. There's delicious.
Mine's
Oh, I'll
delicious.
try-
Yay.
How about That's good, but I think mine's better. Probably because it's more unique. They have some really weird flavors in there, though. Stuff with like tomato and some of the other weird stuff.
It was like black olive and like goat cheese, I think.
Yeah. So,
I
but
mean,
this stuff's good.
yeah.
And you can sample anything, so that's nice. And while we're at it, that's going to do it. So, see you all from Universal probably next time.
Yeah.
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 Bye.
Yeah.